Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy products on AliExpress step by step. So let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. You can use the search bar at the top and type the product name that you want, or browse with categories, as well as check the super deal sections. When you find a product that you want to buy, simply tap on it to open the product page. On the product page, always make sure to check the product images, descriptions, as well as product price and discounts if available. The shopping cost and delivery time are also mentioned within it. You can also check out the overall reviews and ratings of the customers. Before continuing, please make sure to choose the required options such as colors, sizes, as well as model and quality if available. After selecting all the options, if you want to buy immediately, tap buy now. But if you want to purchase later or add more items, you can just simply tap add to cart. If you tap buy now, you will be taken to the order confirmation page. Here you can review the selected products, quality, quantity, shipping address, delivery method, as well as total price. If you haven't added an address yet, tap add a new address. Here make sure to enter your full name, phone number, delivery address, as well as all the required details. After entering all your valid details, tap save. Before paying, you must also make sure to check AliExpress coupons, seller coupons, as well as promo codes if available. Please make sure to apply them to reduce the total price. You can also select your preferred methods such as PayPal, Apple Pay, credit card, debit card, and so on. After reviewing everything, tap on pay and complete the payment. Once the payment is successful, your order will be placed and you can track it from the order section. And that's how you can buy products on AliExpress step by step, which is simple once you know the whole process. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.